Dive into the crystal clear waters of planning, but beware of the undercurrents. Here are 8 common blunders travelers make when charting a course to the Solomon Islands. Firstly, don't sail past cultural etiquette. The Solomon Islands are a mosaic of ethnicities and languages. Each community has its own customs and traditions, and missing this can lead to waves of discomfort. Swahili. Learn the local phrases and respect the traditions to navigate smoothly. Next, weather the storm of poor planning by checking the forecast. The Solomon Islands have a wet season with potential cyclones and a dry season perfect for exploration. Choose wisely to keep your adventure on the sunny side. Don't let transportation be your shipwreck. With irregular schedules and limited public transport, it's crucial to plan for delays and have a backup route to keep your island hopping on course. Health precautions are your life jacket. Malaria and dengue fever are real risks, so consult with a healthcare professional for vaccinations and pack protective gear to keep the pests at bay. Protect the natural treasures you came to see. Coral reefs and ecosystems are fragile. Engage in responsible tourism to ensure these wonders persist for future adventurers. Cash is king in remote areas, so stock your treasure chest with Solomon Islands dollars to avoid being marooned without essentials. Feast like a local. Venture beyond the familiar and taste the island's bounty. From fish curry to coconut delights, the local cuisine is a treasure map to the heart of Solomon culture. Finally, don't underestimate the compass that is a local guide. They're the key to uncovering hidden gems and cultural pearls, making your journey not just a trip, but a true voyage of discovery. Book with the South Pacific at Far and Away Adventures.